This is a forest full of life. Countless creatures live in harmony, despite their differences. On the banks of the Amazon River, where the fog clears and the sunlight spreads, all life quietly welcomes the morning. On a quiet morning riverside, a capybara opens the forest's day first. Beings who live together, not alone. Capybaras spend the day together at the water's edge. They flow together, they stay together, and their trust in each other forms the deepest bond in this forest. There is a being in the forest who spends his days differently. Its name is the sloth. Speed isn't everything. Beings living at different speeds complete this forest. Even in the slowest movement in the world, there is a rhythm and a day that flows naturally. The forest lives with that slowness. One side swims along the shore, the other spends the day in the trees. They live at different paces, but this forest unites them. Beings who live in their own places without competition or noise. This is a forest where coexistence is the norm. Where the sunlight has disappeared, the forest quietly ends the day. Here, quiet lives breathe together.